Do you know you can now play AAA Android games with high FPS and a smooth performance on your Apple Silicon Mac? Bluestacks just launched Bluestacks Air for Apple Silicon Macs with Vulkan Support. This means you now get a high performance graphics API that gives you a smoother gameplay, higher FPS and a better visuals for Android games on Mac. Now let's install and run Bluestacks Air. Click on the link in the video description and it should take you to this page to download Bluestacks Air. Now this only works for Apple Silicon Macs, so if you're using an Intel based Mac, this would not work. After downloading, you can close your browser and then open your download folder, and this is Bluestacks Air. Now let's double click to install, continue, and the installation is complete. Now let's launch Bluestacks Air from our launchpad, and this is Bluestacks Air. Now what does Vulkan support mean and why is it important for Mac gamers? Vulkan is a high-performance graphics API that enables efficient CPU and GPU usage, which means less lag, better multitasking, stable performance with higher FPS even in intensive games like Zenless Zone 0 or Infinity Nikki. Now let's test this out by downloading a game. You could even adjust the hardware resources Bluestacks Air is using. Simply go to settings by the side, and from here you can set how much CPU you want to allocate to Bluestacks Air. You could set custom and then increase it. You could also set how much RAM you want to allocate as well. I have 16 gigs, so I can give up to 8, but I'm just going to leave it at 4, which should work really well. We could set balanced or high performance, but I'm just going to leave it balanced. Here you can also set the display settings and you can also set the graphics settings as well. Now let's close the settings page and wait for the game to install. Now let's play. You can also use native gamepad input on Bluestacks Air on Vulkan supported games. Vulkan even offers better performance and multitasking than OpenGL. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.